AIWin Technology is a professional AI company with image recognition technology and patents, which are applied in automated optical inspection and industrial safety recognition systems for golf, textile, and semiconductor industry. AIWin Technology not only provide the multidimensional AI solutions of smart factories to assist our customers in establishing the AI virtuous cycle, but also have one-stop services for data collection, cleaning, labeling, AI training, and integration for software and hardware. To ensure the highest quality and efficiency for clients, our team maintains to update and implement the newest image recognition algorithms. We believe that we can be your eye partner.